Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today we're going to be talking about what we did on this boat. So this customer came in and he had a really soft floor. It was like a trampoline. So we ripped up the floor and we discovered the stringer was also gone, which wasn't a surprise because the floor is connected to the stringer and anything timber in a boat is susceptible to rot. So we ripped it out, we put a new stringer in here and we glassed it in. And then after that, we attached our floor on here. We didn't use any screws because what we're trying to achieve is something that's totally sealed, so we can't get any water back in there and continue to rot. The other side was really good, amazingly. So somehow there's been water got in there and it's just stayed in there and just rotted everything out. So it's ready to go back to the customer. He'll be able to get the engine fitted and some new carpet and his trims put back on. And he's going to be back in the water before summer. So that'll be amazing. The challenges we had were, it was hard to find hardwood timber actually quickly because this job had to be done fast. So we were able to source some timber and then when we were fitting the floor, to be able to fit it without screws, we just glued it down in position and put some bricks on it so that it stayed in the position, and then we could fiberglass it after that. So we ended up just using a little bit of body filler just to hold the floor down in position before we glassed it. If you're doing this at home, then I would recommend you taking your time, getting everything set up before you mix any fiberglass. Try and give yourself plenty of time, not doing it in the center of the day when it's really hot. When it's stinking hot and you're trying to work with fiberglass that you're not familiar with, it's hard work. So if it's during the winter or you're in a colder climate, then you're not going to be under pressure with it. If you can make sure you use a low catalyst level and in hot temperatures and give yourself plenty of time, make sure you're well prepared so everything's ready to go and you're not rushing around trying to figure things out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.